Hello students and welcome to another science online class. This is video number 9 for the topic biochemistry and biomolecules. Now let's continue our discussion about proteins. So this is an example of a primary structure. Okay, so it is composed of different amino acids. Next is the secondary structure. So it can be folded or in spiral or coil in terms of structure. So we can see that coil formation is because of some hydrogen bonds na naglilink, no? We have tertiary structure, so this collection of secondary structures, and then it can be folded in also. So this is an example of hemoglobin, kasi may heme. And while the quaternary structure, so binubuo siya ng iba't ibang tertiary structure. So, balik tayo sa tertiary structure. So, this part is a beta polypeptide while this one is alpha polypeptide, which is present in quaternary structure. So, we have primary structure or sequence of amino acids. So, we can use a 3-letter code. Ayan. And one-letter code. Diba? Napag-aralan na natin to sa lesson na molecular genetics. Then, secondary structure can be alpha helices or beta strands. Yan. So, ito yung, yung other structure for secondary proteins. Next, you have tertiary structures. So, it can be fold helices and strands into domains. While collection of tertiary structure are the quaternary structure, which are the biological units. Is equivalent to the functional assemblies of chains and subunits. So, nagsama-sama. Yan. So, this is an example of primary structure. So, this is the amino end. Yan. So, we have amino acid subunits na tinatawag. So, in some point, may mga connection, no? Or bonds. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganitong formation. So, this is the secondary structure. So, this is the amino acid subunit. Ito, part. So, this is a beta-pleated sheet, while this one is alpha helix. Ayan. So, because of some hydrogen bonds, ayan, hydrogen bonds, nagkakaroon ng ganyang structure yung proteins. So, this is the disulfide link. This is the ionic bond. Ayan. Ang galing, ano? So, this is the example of tertiary structure. And quaternary structure can be, example is collagen. Ayan. So, each collagen strand is a polypeptide chain. And this is hemoglobin. Ayan. So, di ba in tertiary structure may heme? So, heme is composed of iron and heme. Yan. And then we have a beta chain and alpha chain. Again, quaternary structure are complex protein molecules. Yan. So, protein structure level. So, we have primary structure, secondary structure, yan, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. Ulitin natin, ha. The primary structure, okay, yan, polypeptide bond, amino acid. Secondary structure is may hydrogen bonds, alpha helix, and beta pleated sheets. Tertiary structure, yan, tertiary structure, yan, R group interaction, while quaternary structure and protein with more than one polypeptide subunit. Protein denaturation is the loss of a protein's native structure, which is called denaturation in the process. So denaturing agents include alteration of pH, salt concentration, temperature, or other environmental factors can cause a protein to unravel. So a denatured protein